Hello, and I was someone come who Africa professor, my mom speaks person, my chief linguist, Africa professor, and Kasan say, first time I'll buy our platform, so African professor on filtered a bomber subscribe share. Hit the notification bell, anytime be I upload a new video, no, you be among the first to get to one more time way African professor on filtered. Mom speaks person with chief linguist, Kasan, bomber subscribe when it's freestyle. I talk about a lot of issues, me was some fapim, but by the time we in Makasa fan this is how this platform is, created for. And subscribe, share, now like it. And then come up person me the fa Mahama, former president Mahama. Any comment be make it by fufu. I can't, especially Asante for the brownie, a same for no staple food, so we for staple food. And once I'm not person make it. Commander me do matu me say. Former President Mahama and his fufu voters comments, and I say fufu voting comments. TNB me say, former President Mahama and his fufu yeah, Asante can fufu voters comment. And once in America. Now I did them makasa, and ne I no pay na me nipa bi, me ne kasa akra. And I was sending video until. And so sending back 3 days ago, me nya time me hwenti ne na anopa na be na je se na me hwi na me se na na me come make me ne kasa me friend no or me ne kasa fa ba Mahama. Now hwe Mahama make comment be and say one of his endless campaign train or say your group of people be Ghana. Now say yes Ghana yes ebe nim ni wura ebe something for in the can say ebe biano in the neura was a group of people be Ghana. So no na omu di fufu wia omu nyom fufu di wia fufu a omu nyom fufu di wia omu tu aba bone omu tu aba stupidly and must stupid people omu tu aba stupidly stupid people Mahama no na je say akwa no se pa me no kase. Let me start by saying say Ghana will be a confused person in Ghana today. We're confused, we're so desperate, we're power hungry. I just say when he left from his right as far as politics is concerned. At this today, Ubusami number one, Mr. Ibrahim, John Dramani Mahama. Yes, NDC Fragberry and Ubusami will be so confused today. I what poor communication skills. Even though some Kofobi say we're a great communicator, there's some Kofobi perception of great communication as a communicator. And it's so low, so bad is so low. Say, Obiabe you know can say who can kwasi asama. Almost a great communicator. Then or your communication. Russia and I say he don't know communication degree. Because Mahama doesn't know say communication, savvy communicators, they use communication as a strategic control. If you say when you know what's an American, I'm not going to go into detail. If you are so a communicator, say you use communication as a strategic control. And communication is again, so communication, they will tell you say communication is some kind of you have to understand the difference between creativity, using communication as a creativity and constraint. So you have to know the difference between the communication as a creativity and constraint. Constraint in the sense that even though you are creating your own communication space, but you also have to have some constraints around it because especially as a leader. Mahama doesn't know that. Say he has to know the difference and I say strike the balance between communication as a balance between creativity and constraints. So a good communicator, who communicate here, you have to strike that balance. There's a balance between say once you're talking, you're creating your own communication space. And so that's the creativity aspect. But at the same time, there has to be some constraint, there has to be some limits. Why do I say this? Mahama called Greater Accra region. We can't say no or criticize it. Baumia the opponent said Baumia talk about digitization, digitization. Na nkrafo Greater Accra nkrafo no omunyom komi no mu emeko shitobi enu ni ade omo digitization omo de yede. Look at this, papa. We say we person be president. Now he's a great communicator. Sankofo no omunti communication ase no. Contemporary modern communication omunti ase no. They say Mahama is a great communicator. The great communicator and when him say obey use communication as a strategic control. Obey use communication in the sense or in the sphere of strategic control. And I say when him say there has to be a balance. There's a balance between communication, creativity, and constraint. And that's a limitation. When him, and I'm afraid great communication. So go a great communicator and go gina voter region. And why I'm consider NDC consider there as their voting weapon. Uncle Casse, Yen Botarian, the woman Yoma Quelle, and Omni Adia, a Quelle and Omni Adia, Omon don't even think. Woman the digitization is only when I'm acquiring about me. Sorry, I will guys. You see, Papa Penny Mujah, Kakan useless language. Nanko for dinity. As she said, Kutupa, so a great communicator. We a comedian. Mahama is comedian in chief. That's all Mahama is. Oko jina waso no so said you. I'm so for so no say true. Or boa no can say who can kwasam. Yes. Men you get but I do papa no so can kwasam no can say. Oko jina baby say group of people be. Omo nyom fufuo dia. Omo aso mo kanya sasama na so mo nwini biom. They think stupidly and I say and they vote stupidly, something like that. Mahama ne kind. Now as a best one new Minuano memi asantini, me papa, minuano mabusha for Kumasia, and Titi, Yini co school, ye bibia, and to me Kumasi ni. Bo, two beg you know, but get the Asante for them. And one more Asante for because who's who con cran, who bon crafodi, who co voter region bomudi, Basantino, because what dear Asante for them than I president say, Asante region dear. Omo, or the go to crack of form Kwansu crana, or more appreciative, you grateful, they are ungrateful. As if say, go do no, ukrom gonja itu go do. Now go do now the bay Kwansunya Asante region. One of the richest gold mine in the world, your bossy, Asante region. Now the go to far Kwanswa, Massa, who can't unguarded utterances, no, and I'm making somehow, no. You group of people be so Ghana. I don't know. And the Mahama can no one can say Kufubi or my I don't know so move film almost DNT or move film manimenti or because you know baby can say who can and some useless languages be at no more actually. No more can say Ninti and I say Akwabi. Yes, your friend big quiz. Say young Kwasha some more kafa Asante for cram coming in that. Say Kumasi for for. They say because Mahama or person Mahama Bapa, the Mahama same hunu and then crashes some crashes some can and be no worker because somehow no fish said would the dear Tama and then somehow no. Nayana Mentias is phobia or munya power, and I said somehow no, Umunya be officer, Umuyeni Pache or Bia, Umunyasa Chebi, I don't know. Na me to me could go me to one. I don't even care about what anybody think about me or themselves. I don't know who cares. So you brony we be new because Nyanko Panda me to me your manu. Oh Mahama be crammed my child. My children brony fit for no, Omigino Drummond so many pache a be before. My children, my dear great home pipes. The old ben will be the old bon bia, Obianya Papa Ogun so me yare. And why a president died didn't make you think so your Papa Chelby. Also when you say call him by Mahama. You are the repository, of all knowledge. You have all the solution to Ghana problems. The way I would nama kasa. And you know, Baumia say, okay, bra, you stage so. Na betchemu explain to all Ghanaians your ideas and how your solutions are. I can't be for solve problem because over 6 years now. One you foco. Sikana we are sa the bichi share who no money ade no munina nyom hotem. Say no. Una bankroll, una fund all the NDC BBR. Sika we are no, and they say no person some better 4 years. That's the only reason Mahama you come into power. And why so desperate? And I know can somebody Asante for them indirectly. Now can say yes, sir. Now Mahama, person catch you say President Mahama or say former President Mahama. Let you listen to this carefully, quietly. We are communication, your communication at the bachelor's degree level, Maza. But don't you say me communication? Because I understand contemporary communication. Because I know communication, one of the best effective way of communicating is using communication as a transactional process. I don't even know what you say. And using as a strategic control. And then also understanding communication, the balance between creativity and constraint. Now, constraint, and there are certain things you don't even have to say, especially Obi Aso Peso, president of Ghana. na nam na keka nkofo bi di fufuo wi a omo to aba omo to nyansasam na ukromo gonja no mo staple food ene de ade mo so wudi wi a emso kudi bi wi a wo so nka nyansasam na the person me person me ma tia say asantefo no a odu ani asi omo so den you got to understand say na champion general champion tia say obeka che so ono kro ya asantini ofri trebro wonim say ono kra ne union governor was starting and no person starting asantefo oma no mo support omo tutia no oye ne referendum asantefo mercifully womo tutia no ono kro ya asantini tia asantefo nya type of nipa bia anybody can take them for granted. Rollins try it's not tiasia. And to Asante, yeah, Asante for Yankofobia, you can just take them for granted. You can say whatever you want to say about them. But Massa, almost son se so. And to if you say somehow, no bet me you shoot governmental power and I say state instrument that to me as subdue Asante for and I say, oh my Asante for a power somewhere there. About me, on Asante so Asante for Maginatum, there's a reason on Maginatum. Sanity. Busa Jekufo, former president Kufo, me thrown me in, you may be as actual Jekufo, Busan said, the primaries no pet, so be a flag bearer for MPP no, say yes central region for me at the Asante for Omututiano. And so you are 2 out of 30 something, as I say, when you are 2 constituencies, those are say other regions now, and a big ranka Jekufo going to me MPP flag bearer, so you won't come as well as Antony. And in person chose Mahama. Who cried off Gonjo, and Timmy, your wife, and he said, who bet me I can some who I can some unguarded utterances and some are bending Papa Penu, also president did not Asante voice no matter what mother, who be going my casa, you can breathe fire, any other day, mother, Asante Fonyankophobia, bet me, Busha Britain for no, British, and they will tell you. And you would you want to count the penas or Sembi, Akasa Fasoni, ama you know I am a man for I start almost 30 woman up to you can send ja and crash something gonja somehow you know how can but I don't know it won't even take you anywhere the command person is all could you know say former president Mahama say and go for be Ghana diffufu nyom fufu diwia to about stupidly na they vote for stupid people what is it will be obi odifufu bia na che say who did you be at fufu so no nya asantefo kwa yes asantefo staple fufu bronfo edifufu asenfo edifufu it's a whole bunch of account people say fufu edifufu your friend say achem difufu and you know na kan who did the whole group of people who were alienated na say people na so person be president of Ghana and you come person didn't me say come me say former president Mahama and his fufuo voters comment. It doesn't make any sense. And the office of me, can say, who near the idea to Amawa. You used to say, Trump, I went into say, Trump on the America should be different. I brought from the way we see a human man. The only reason to my Trump on any economic issue, I say, I argue with anybody every day who will say, economic issue, and I say, issues in and more cultural issues. Be like about and a fan side so-called great replacement theory. So somehow a group of people be take over. If you look at the demographic trend of America, is shifting away from majority white to the minorities. And they say, Oman here now, Oman for money, see for more. Blacks and any other minority will take over America. That's what the great replacement theory, that's what that conspiracy theory be going around. That's what it is now. And to fear, out of fear, no other than man. Frank will be a rapist, convicted felon, near the other so much man. And the man Ghana, ignorantly, no from compare America and I sent to say America because of the trend near the identity. Somehow, no, who besa a better man. Masa. And you kasa, your kasa ye, Maza, your kasa, na ye bush of phone, fufu no mudi debi, a mamma metiasen, when you fufua, official yari, unidi. And Masa, me, can say, who chrome go your dear, no moody. And one more time, we African Professor, one subscribe, share with friends and family, and I'll talk to you another time. Have a great day. Bye.